like a date. I'm not going to a party, I'm going to like have Phonee, but with lots of drinks. Do you think I'll get a little pop? Do you think I'll get a little pop? I'm a bit stiff to my ear at the moment. I haven't done it for a while. Yeah. Have you had new experience lately? You have? Every night. Oh, you're lucky. You're so lucky. You're so lucky. Wait. I need to know. I'm not going to do that, but I just need to know. Okay? Are you single? Oh. Well, when you're not, just give me a ring, because you know this number. Okay. Love you. Bye. What? I can't even hear you, man. Talk louder. What? It's because boxes.
We just robbed a bank. Feel the faces. I will.
Take a picture for us robbing a bag in history.
Ring. Sorry, just banana phone. Banana phone.
Oh, is it thing?
Yeah.
Can we get it right? From the thing that robbed the store.
Banana phone.
We basically robbed his bag. Yeah, so we might get our fingerprints on it though. That's really bad.
Banana phone.
Please, nigga!
No. Oh, it was on here. They weren't free to go. Oh. Goodbye. We're walking down, what's the street called, guys? Manchester Street. The ocean. This girl doesn't. Thrills by what?